Hello and welcome to another update video on Natgas. Yeah, it's time for a Natgas update. It is possible that the move down here has started. In the last video update, we were already discussing here this resistance area. We were discussing a possible B-wave rally from the April low, and it is entirely possible that we are already in the process of starting the move to the downside here in this C wave. I'm still careful about it. Don't want to fully confirm it yet because we have not reached the 100% extension level, which is normally an ideal target for the C wave. Also, here in this move to the upside, let me zoom in. In this move to the upside, where we're tracking an A, B, C structure as part of a wave 2, that C wave would be only a 3-wave move. Well, it can be 5, yeah. This would have to be a so-called truncation, which is an exceptional circumstance. And I apply it here because there are some Natgas instruments where we can count 5 waves up, okay? And also in the subwaves, I can actually identify 5 waves up. Only then you can really apply the concept of a truncation. So that means I'm not, sold on the concept that we have started the C wave down, circle wave C. Okay, I'm not fully convinced yet, but I want to highlight the potential, and with that wave count, we can add another micro resistance area to the chart here, which is between, and that is resistance for white wave 2. So again, it will only really be confirmed if we now see a corrective rally and a breakdown below the wave 1 low. 345, 346, that should send us down lower, closer to the $3 mark. Possibly this previous swing low at around $3.10 in the next instance. Any break above $3.74 resistance wouldn't be a surprise because truncation is not trustworthy. It is what it is. I cannot make it more trustworthy. So that means any break above 374 would already increase probabilities that we are extending a little bit higher. Okay, that this C wave extends a little higher, which would be ideal. Let's say it like that. It would be ideal because the 100% extension is for me always an ideal target, more important than microstructures. All I'm saying is quite a deep pullback, but we have not broken below the previous swing low here from the 29th of May, which formed at 343. So and this could be classed as a corrective pullback. So we might put the 4th wave here, have the 5th wave up there. Okay, so just discussing here some microstructures, the context is of course completely unchanged. In simple, and we don't need to make it complicated, in simple, my preferred interpretation is still, as discussed in the last update, that a wider correction is unfolding, A, B, C. That remains the case, no need to change anything. Larger degree support between 274 and 196. But looking at the smallest structures here then, this is now a key spot because in this resistance area between $3.59 and $3.74, it will likely be decided if this is a wave 2 corrective rally or if we are still moving up in wave C of circle wave B, which I find quite likely. So I think next week will be a very, very important week. Decision moment here. The bears need to show up here. Take the price below the swing low here at 345 and then drive the price lower to confirm circle wave C has started. But at this point, one more high would actually be ideal. Just mentioning here we are at an important juncture. Overall, that means a wider correction should happen anyway. But if we break above 374, it opens the door to $4.07 at least. Yeah, that's just intended to give you some key levels here. Structures pivots in this structure. The preferred interpretation should be quite clear. Just note that B waves, in B waves we always have to be flexible, right? B waves are difficult structures to track and trade. Most people would avoid them. So yeah, that's the update on Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on stocks, the S&P 500, ES Futures, Natgas, not Natgas, Nasdaq. Natgas is only here on YouTube. No, Nasdaq. Check out our stocks membership. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.